All good morning, welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, I'm again back with one more video of IBPS PO pre-examination training 2026. And the people who are new to me, I just want to give a small introduction video about my channel. So I have already made videos on pre-examination training of SBI PO, SBI clerk, IBPS RB clerk, PO, IBPS clerk, many more. If anybody want to know what is about pre-examination training on, if you want, please go and check my previous videos. And if you want only about pre-examination training of IBPS PO, you can check here. So this video I just want to make it from scratch. The people who don't know how to log in and like this from the start to end till I just want to make this video. So the people who are new or who are unable to access the pre-examination training, they'll get an idea and overview of the examination training. So this is about the introduction of this video. And also just I want to give one more point. I have cleared multiple prelims examinations and I have given mains examinations too. I'm already been working, so by seeing the channel name you will get to know that I'm an working bank aspirant. So if anybody want to know in detail about me, my scorecards or anything, please go and check my previous videos. I have clearly made videos on that also. So without any further delay, I just want to make this video. And before going to start up this video, if anybody are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because if anybody want to know about pre-examination training or any kind of updates related to banking, insurance kind of examinations, I'll definitely make a video on that, so you'll get an idea. And also I just want to take in one more initiative. Previously I have already made it, but now again I want to continue that, which is related to free live test. So daily targets video and also pre-examination updates and materials I'll provide in my Telegram channel. And how we'll get the mail from the IBPS portal. You can see here, right? The mail is like ibps.reg@ibps.in. So this is how we will get the mail, and subject will be about of intimation regarding online pre-examination training recruitment of PO, which is of probationary officers / management trainees. So this is how the subject will be, and also this is how they will mention the registration number, and also they will give some more points. The pre-examination mail, the people getting it doesn't mean that you are selected for the position. So they clearly mention all that points here, and also they clearly mention where and how you can join for this pre-examination training. So before going to let you all know about the login or about materials, so I just want to show this pre-examination training candidates who are eligible means only SC, ST, OBC, minorities and undeserved candidates are not even eligible for this pre-examination training. So I took this initiative because all the people who are preparing for the banking examinations, they should access these pre-examination materials, because all the people are here to get the job. So I feel like each and every opportunity need to access for them also materials, even including materials all. So the materials I will upload, and I have already been uploaded SBI PO materials in my Telegram channel. If you want to know how the patterns will be, just go and check. And regarding IBPS PO also, I'll update it all the details in my Telegram channel. And okay guys, this is how the unreserved category are not eligible for the pre-examination training. So this is the mail we'll get from the IBPS portal. So if you are eligible, and if you will check mark that, okay, only SC, ST, OBC, minority candidates. And also if you want to log in, like first directly you can log in through Google by searching for ibps.in. On the top of the notifications itself, you are having pre-examination training of IBPS PO. You can click on that. If not, just they will give a direct link here, right? You are able to see. So just click on that, and it is redirecting to the official website. Okay, let's without any delays, I'll just show how you should log in and how the interface will be of pre-examination training, guys. Okay, let's start it. Okay guys, this is the page you will get once you click on ibps.in site. So of pre-examination training. So here it is started from 10th of August till 15th of August, guys. Okay, here you can see, here you need to give your registration number, which is available in mail clearly. Otherwise, once you are registered for the IBPS PO application, you are able to see the registration number there, and password will be date of birth, but the date of birth format will be different, guys. Just think your date, month, and also year, only up to 2 letters, 2 digits. Okay, like for example, if it is of 1998, just 98. If it is of 1996, it is of 96, last 2 digits. Okay, you need to enter the captcha. Once you click on this, once you click on login, the page, it is available is, I'll just show it to you all. Okay guys, this is the page you will get once you click on login. So here they have been given in some important information. So once you click on close, you will able to see the interface of 5 days of IBPS PO training materials. Okay, before going to start up this all the materials videos, just I want to give an introduction video. So that is the reason. So it is before day 1 video guys. You will get videos of day 6. 6th day will be the mock link. I'll just show how it will be. And so majorly 5 days of training will be there. Last day just for the practice session of mock link. Okay, this is the introduction video, how to log in and how to check all your materials. That's it guys. Okay, this is how the 6 days schedule has been for the pre-examination training. So day wise schedule they have been clearly given here. Day 1 is for the overview of examination process. I'll definitely clearly make a video on that. And day 2 will be the reasoning, and day 3 which is of module 3 of general economic banking and digital financial awareness, including RBI circulars. Clearly they have been mentioned here, RBI circulars, which are very more important. And coming to day 4 which is of English language and descriptive paper. Day 5 will be data analysis and interpretation. Day 6 will be mock link for online preliminary examination guys. Okay, this, and also I just want to say one more important point for you guys. For SBI Pro, they have clearly given the materials in the PDF format which we can download, but here the materials are provided only for the readable form only. Clearly they have been highlighted here. You are able to see here, right? The material provided would be in readable form only. We cannot even download. So that is the reason I just want to make a 6 days of videos, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, which they have been clearly given here, because without any confusions or without any other, because we are unable to provide the materials. So that is the reason I just want to make a day 6 of videos. If you want to know how the paper will be, like how the pre-examination materials will be, just check all these 5-6 videos. I'll definitely upload all these videos in this week, or before the examination, before 1 week of examination. I'll definitely upload all the videos guys. Okay, this is how you should log in, and this is how the overview of the examination guys. So once you click on this close button, you're able to see. So you are able to see this page guys. This is how the day 1 will be. This is of only introduction of the examinations, like how the pattern will be A to Z from scratch. Okay, day 2 will be the reasoning. I have already shown all the day 6 videos, right? Here it is about the reasoning. Just you need to scroll like this. Okay, once you scroll, you are able to read all the questions. And day 3 will be here. You are able to see it is taking so much of time. General awareness and banking digital financial awareness. So here you need to check how many pages are there all. This is how the day 4 will be. Just it is taking some time to load guys. It is of English language. Day 5 will be the data analysis and interpretation guys, and it is showing blank. Okay, just to okay, this is how quant, and day 6 will be the mock link. They have been clearly given. I'll just show how the mock will be online assessment. Okay, this is how all 6 days. So stay tuned for the 6 days videos. I'll definitely going to upload as soon as possible, and these materials are not in PDF format, and if possible guys, I'll try to make all these days in Word format or PDF format, because it will take time. If time allows for me, I'll definitely going to make a document format of all these if possible. If not, I'll definitely going to upload 6 days videos guys for the reference purpose. You can check and go and check all that. I'll just give you an update about this point in my Telegram channel too. Okay guys, this is up to this video. First of all, we'll get a mail, and through that mail also you can log in for the pre-examination training. Otherwise, you can directly search for the IBPS.in. On the top of the notification itself, you are able to see IBPS PO pre-examination training. Once clicking on this, the login page will be visible, and once you log in, there is an information page, and also after that, this is the interface you will get it. So this is up to the from scratch to end video guys. So about day wise, it will come later. So this is how you should log in. I think this video is useful for all the people, and if anybody are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'll upload all kind of videos in this channel. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye, and have a nice day. And also, before going to signing off, I'll just want to give one more heads up for you all. There are hardly 9 to 10 days left for the prelims examinations, right? So please be prepared well. I just want to say this is a very big opportunity guys, because around 8,000 kind of vacancies is not a smallest thing, because compared to the previous years, this is a huge number of vacancies they have been released. So compared to other, because the SBI club notification has also been out, so many people got depressed, fell low because of the vacancies they have been given. Is there are some zero vacancies in other states too. So I'll definitely make another video on that, but this is one of the best opportunity. Please don't let go this opportunity by your hands. Please be prepared well to make your parents proud. That's it. To be in financially independent, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my videos.